Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful, and we're making drinks at home. So today we're going to be doing a very simple cocktail. It's called a B&B. It's 2 ingredients, equal parts, brandy and Benedictine. So for the brandy, I'm going to be using Pierre Ferrand. This is a grape brandy, and it's actually a cognac. So brandy is the larger category for any type of distilled spirit from fruit juice. The most common type of fruit juice that's used is grapes, and cognac is a regional designation for a particular type of brandy that's made in France. So this one is really delicious. I also have different types of brandies here. I have brandies, let's see, a pear brandy here. I have apple brandy. You might have heard of Applejack before. That is an apple brandy. I also have Pisco, which is another type of brandy. It's a Peruvian brandy made from grapes. But I'm going to go with just the classic brandy, this cognac here. So I'm going to start by just taking my rocks glass. I'm going to fill it up with ice. Here I'm just going to use a single large ice cube. And then I'm going to add 1 ounce of my brandy. The second ingredient in a B&B is Benedictine. Benedictine is an herbal liqueur. This is a pretty potent herbal liqueur. So this one is actually 40% alcohol by volume, so that's 80 proof. So it's basically the same as like a vodka. So this is a pretty stiff drink, but it goes down surprisingly smooth. I'm going to do equal parts, so I'm going to do 1 ounce also of the Benedictine. And I'm just going to add it right there to the glass. The nice thing about doing equal parts drinks like the B&B is that you don't actually need to use a jigger to do it. So if you just have a shot glass or even a measuring cup or whatever you want, or you can just eyeball it, it's very easy to do without all of your tools handy. And then I'm just going to take a stirring spoon, stir it around a little bit, and that's it. It's good to go. And it's delicious. Okay, it is very strong, but it goes down very smoothly. The herbal liqueur is actually almost a little bit viscous, and so you get this kind of nice consistency to it. It is a really nice drink to make. Very simple, 2 ingredients, equal parts. So go ahead and try it. Thanks for joining.